Hello everyone, welcome back to DBZ Dioramas. And before we get into the video, I just wanted to explain why there's no part 2 and I skipped straight to part 3. I just could not export part 2. I did everything I could, but it just wouldn't work. I think there's corrupted files or something. Also, there's some content missing for this video too, but it's mostly all there. So let's get into the final part of this video. Enjoy. Okay. What's up YouTube? Welcome back to DBZ Dioramas. And it is time to finish up this diorama. Yes, you can hear it in my voice, I'm still hella sick, but that's not stopping me from finishing up this bad boy. So let's get to it. I'm gonna use the milk chocolate and the peach. Got it mixed up over here and dilute it with water. So let's just take the door off and get started. first coat on there. Now we just let it dry and see if we need to do another coat or not. Alrighty, y'all, so we've got the brown paint on there. Got about 2 or 3 coats on there, it's still drying. So I want to move on to doing this road over here. I'm just going to use the black and just paint over it. Then after that, do some white for like the bumps, the road bumps, the side, whatever, you know what I'm trying to say. And then after that, we can start with airbrushing. So let's just let this dry, and then we can start the airbrushing. It's time to paint this door. I will be using this purple called Purple Pansy. Kind of funny name. So yeah, just doing the door, and then this little like sidewalks type thing. So let's just let that dry now, and as I do, I'm going to do the little sidewalk. These over here. I'm just going to be using some white. Now it's probably going to end up bleeding onto the brown and maybe the black, but that's okay, I'll just go over it again.
So as you can see, the purple needs multiple coats. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do that. But I'm gonna just skip straight to it. Almost done, y'all. So here's the door. Dry enough. The back, don't worry about the back because it's gonna be placed in there anyway. So I've got the white, my spray paint. Just gonna add it in some areas, and then I'm gonna add like some dark grays to the other areas, and then we just shake off the rest of the grass. And I want to also, I don't like how that looks. Like, that's ugly as fuck. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, y'all, so I could stop here, I could just let it dry, shake off the extra grass, but I said nah, I want to add something a little special. So my idea is I'm gonna add like a billboard, like a directional sign, and it's gonna say something cool, pretty cool on it. So let me just skip to it. It's gonna look just like this. And here is the final product. In the shelf and everything. I think it came out beautiful. Hold on, start over. And here is the final product. Look at that bad boy. The boy cooked with this one, huh? I love the highlights on that door. The Cell Games next exit. I thought it would have fit great, being that the last one I made is the Cell Games one, and it's right next to it, and that the Android Saga leads to the Cell Games. Wow. What do you guys think about it? I hope you liked it. I hope you come back for more. And stay tuned for the pictures I have at the very end. But thank you guys so much for watching. I loved making this one. It's been Mean Jeans Dioramas, and I'll see you guys soon. Cooking.